We all know that saying.
You can't judge a book by its cover.
But guys, let's be real. When it comes to YouTube, the thumbnail is your cover. And if that thumbnail doesn't grab people's attention, that amazing video you made,
you wasted time.
That's why in today's video, I'll show you how to use AI. Yes, AI. You don't need a paid editor, you don't need Photoshop, you don't need any expensive editing tool. What? Using just simple prompts, you have clickable and amazing thumbnails. And without further ado, it's time to learn. So guys, stage one, we have DeepSeek and we have Claude AI. Yes, and what do we need them for? We need them to generate prompts for our thumbnails. It's pretty hard to come up with ideas for these thumbnails sometimes. So without thinking too much and without wasting our time, we're just going to use AI to actually help us come up with ideas for thumbnails. And it's very simple. I'm just going to put in this prompt right here, and it says, I am creating a YouTube video on the difference between men and women. I need you to come up with image generation prompts for the thumbnails. And that's it. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to click go for DeepSeek. Then I come to Claude AI and I do the same thing. So whatever it gives us, we take those to our image generation tool. And that's it, guys. They're so amazing. As you can see, the responses are coming in, and also they give you multiple options. So this is actually how I create thumbnails every time. As you can see, a split screen composition with thoughtful man and woman and things like that. So the next stage, we're just going to take all these prompts that we have and put everything into our image generation tool and pick the best one. So let's go, guys. So guys, it's time to generate our images. And we have option to Meta AI, we have option to Dremina, and we also have option to Google. Yes, Google has this tool whereby you can actually generate images. It's relatively new. You can see Google ImageFX. It's so amazing. I use it a lot. So we have our prompts. DeepSeek actually gave me 15 prompts. As you can see, we have 15 prompts from DeepSeek. And we have how many? We've got 5 from Claude AI. So right now, I'm going to put all of them. So in total, we have 20 prompts. I'm going to put the entire 20 into each of this AI tool and get the results. And after then, we actually pick the one we want. And finally, we just make the little touches, maybe correct like a few text errors or whatever in the AI text and things like that. So now it's time to actually start putting in the image prompts into everything. All the images we need have actually been generated across board. So I'm going to preview them for you right now. But quick one, Meta AI actually generates the most interesting images. But in terms of aspect ratio, this is not actually the size a thumbnail needs. But don't worry, because in the next step, I'll actually show you how to resize your images, the ones you actually get from Meta AI, to actually fit for a YouTube thumbnail, which is so simple. Just one click and you're good. Also, remember, you can always click on this option right here that says regenerate and can get more interesting options. Meta AI, I bank on anytime, any day. Like, the image quality is so good. So let's just scroll and see what we have. Also, if you want to see all these images, I love this one so much. So much, guys. If you want to see all the images, just comment below and I will upload all the images on the Telegram community so you can view them there. Yes. This one I can work with for the thumbnail, difference between men and women, that works. Yeah, this one also works. So let's see what we have in Dremina. This doesn't work for me, it doesn't work for me. This one absolutely works for me, I love it so much. This also is very nice, I can work with this. This is a very good one also. This one and this one is very good. Also, if you notice, we don't have text on the images. So if you actually want to get text, one thing we would have done is in our prompt, we have just inserted add clickbait text, which is something I do in my prompt. And also in the next step, I'll also show you, in case your images have text, how to actually correct those textual errors, because sometimes AI images, the text can be wrong and everything. So I created a video on that separately anyways. So this is for labs right here. So I like this image right here. This one is very nice. This brain one is also very good. So yeah, they all have their benefits, but guys, that's it basically. So I'm going to go to the next step now and actually just show you how to actually, this is a very nice one too. But this is beautiful. I love this one so much. I actually even have it saved. This is awesome. So guys, those are the images. The next step now, I'm going to show you how to actually fix textual errors and also resize your images in Meta AI to actually fit for YouTube size. This is the final stage. And in this stage, I'll actually use Dremina to show you how to actually expand the images you got from Meta AI. Remember what I said earlier, the images, this is not YouTube thumbnail size. So I'm just going to use this option here called Canvas Editor. And I'll use this to actually make the Meta AI image the size we want. So I have this image right here from Meta AI. So first things first, I don't know if you noticed, but we have this Meta AI watermark here. So you need to click on this option that says remove and remove it. So as you can see, the watermark is now gone. So the next step is actually to expand our image, and you can see the option here that says expand. Remember what I said, all you need is just one click and you're good to go. So we've picked the perfect size for YouTube thumbnail. You can type in what you want, but usually I don't do anything. I just click on expand and voila. So guys, as you can see, the image has been generated and now we have it perfect for YouTube thumbnail. This is perfect for YouTube thumbnail. You can see multiple options. Usually you have 4 options every time. So guys, that's it. Also, I said textual errors. Usually, if you have text on your, let's say, your images and things like that, and you actually want to fix it, it's very simple. You use this option called In Paint. I made a video on that separately. You can check it out. I'll pin it in the description below. Watch how to actually use In Paint to just fix textual errors, or just write a text in your image. I can just come here and just put text and put A1. I'm just going to in-paint it. So guys, as you can see, the text has been added. We have E1 right here. Obviously, this is just an example. It can be better than this. You can see also E1 looking very nice. But yeah, let's say your image has a text on it and the text is wrong, or you want to fix something about it. You just use that in-paint option and you fix everything. Check out the video in the description or somewhere up on the screen. And yes, I'll show you how to get that. Good news, if you enjoy watching this video, kindly check out this video right here that I made just for you. I'm waiting for you and I'll see you